Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the question of NIOS mathematics assignments. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of question answers for in PDF and the handwritten assignments. So if you need answer of the all the questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238. You can message on this number. We will get back to you. Now the question is perform the activity. Whose steps are given below and answer the question that follows it. Fix three nails with pins A, B, and C on a wooden board and over any surfaces as shown below. Take a piece of thread equal in length to BC and another piece of thread equal in length AB plus AC. Compare the length of the two threads. If the length corresponding to B is equal to X and then the length corresponding to AB plus AC equal to Y, which of the following is true? Here are the four options. Second one is based on your learning from above activity, explain in which of the following three cases is construction of a triangle possible from the given measurements 10 centimeter 10 there are the three options are here. Now so if you need an answer of these questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number which is showing on our screen below. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.